closed with ruthenium chains, and this one still has its original key pocket. Ooh la la. And the bags, where did you get them from? Mostly private clients. All pre-owned but hardly ever used. That's the kind of rich we're talking about here, ladies. The invisible rich. Next up, I have this Hermes Birkin in emerald green. It's timeless, it's elegant. Its previous owner was Bridget Adjustab. How much? It's 100,000. But ladies, we do need to keep in mind